Hi guys, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. Hip flexibility is the most common problem in everybody's life today. Sitting for longer periods actually tightens your inner thighs, your hip area, your groin, and also leads to bloating and constipation problem in many people. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to share one very simple asana with you guys that is known as Malasana, also known as the Garland pose. So Garland pose is one pose which is very good for opening up your inner thighs, for toning up your lower abdomen muscles, and also very good for your pelvis area, and it also balances your sexual energies. So before we begin our practice, one point to be kept in mind is people who are suffering from lower back problem and knees problem, please don't practice this, right? So let's see how to do Malasana. Now stand straight, hands by your side, back straight, shoulders away from your ears, deep inhale, deep exhale. One more time, deep inhale, deep exhale, relax. Now after that, give little gap between your legs. Now pushing your feet firmly on the ground, slowly and slowly bend your knees and we go in the squat position. And when you sit like this, one point to be kept in mind is you have to keep your feet very close to your inner thighs, right? Hold your hands like this and with your elbows try to push your knees outward. In the beginning, lean forward and try to adjust your position. And then slowly and slowly move your body weight on the heels. Back straight and hold the position here for some time. Breathing will be normal here. In the beginning, just hold it for some time and slowly keep increasing the time here. So this is one asana which really gives you very strong legs. It just strengthens your thighs, your calves and gives you very strong legs, right? And it is also a very good preparatory pose for meditation purpose because it opens up your thighs and improves your back posture, which helps you in meditation in long run, right? So after that, you just release your hands and place your hands at the sides and slowly you come up and relax. So I hope you guys enjoyed practicing this asana with me today. So guys, keep practicing, and yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and blessings to you all. Namaste.